Thank you for watching T3 Cloud videos. Today I'm going to show you a small topic, and that is what like how can you raise a request with your AWS team to extend your service. So let's talk about, just remember before we go for that, just remember one thing. By default AWS is providing 20 instances to the all regions. Okay, so if you have more than 20 requirements, you cannot create it from your side. So to create that, you need to ask to the AWS team, okay, my requirement is more than 20 now, how can I go ahead my requirement? So to do that, you have to raise a request, you have to create a request with the, or you have to create a case with the AWS team and ask them, tell them your requirement, they will do that for you. Okay, so this is my AWS console. In AWS console you can see here right side there is a support. Okay, so click on the support center. I'm already there, so I clicked it again, no issues, will come back again. Yeah, this is my AWS support center, and create a, click on create case. Okay, now in front of your screen you have three things. One is account and billing support, another one is service limit increase, another one is technical support. So we don't have requirement for any billing and account support or account and billing support, or we don't want any technical support here. What we want service limit increase, like we want to increase other services. Let's talk about either it's EC2, elastic IP, whatever. So my requirement as of now is EC2 because I have 20 instance for me. I need to create another 10. I don't have access to do that. So that is why I need to raise a request to the AWS team to increase my instance. So I select the one which I want it, and you can come here and can see the case details. So you have to brief, have to tell the AWS team what exactly your requirement is. Okay, so once you click the service limit increase, you can see there is a limit type. So what limit you want to, you can see number of services are there, and you can click the services and tell them to increase it. So as of now my requirement is EC2 instance. Just type EC2 instance and you can see here EC2 instance. Just click on this. Okay, and go back here, and the main thing is region. So you are from what exact, in what exactly region you want the instance to be created or instance to be provisioned. Let's talk about if you are in Asia Pacific region, or sorry, if you are in Asia Pacific Mumbai region, and definitely you wanted the instance which should be available in Asia Pacific Mumbai region. And if you are there in Singapore region, you can also select the Singapore region, which is Asia Pacific Singapore region. So my requirement as of now it is Asia Pacific Mumbai region. So let's click that Mumbai region. I clicked it. Next is telling primary instance type. So what exactly, which, what kind of exactly instance you want us to increase for you. Okay, as you know we have number of type instance: F instance, G, P, A, C, D, H, I, M, R, T, G, T series, Z series, R series, M series, I series, H series, D series, C series, A series, F series, G series, P series, and X series as well. So as of for my requirement I should go all the standard one. Okay, because why, because my requirement is T series instance, and T series instance is coming under all standard. If I have requirement for F series I can go for this one, but my requirement is T series, I'll go for only T series here because T is coming under the all standard. Okay, and enter the new limit value, how many instance you need it. I need another 30 instance, or 23, my bad, 30 instance, my limit I need 30 instance. So that's it. Once you have done with your requirement here, and here just mention the reason, what exactly the business justification why you want to increase the number of instance here. Okay, you can just mention like this: hi team, hi team, we need more instances in Asia Pacific. Okay, sorry, okay, Asia Pacific Mumbai region. We need additionally 30 more instances in Asia Pacific Mumbai region for to support our client or business continuity. Okay, just mention your requirement. That's it. Then click on submit. So once you submit this, you will create automatically, a ticket will create in this particular window with the ticket ID. Okay, but as of now I don't want to click submit because it's my personal account. I don't require to have more than 20 instance, so I'm just clicking here cancel. Okay, so once you raise a request will come here. Then automatically you get an email from the AWS team like, we received your request and we are working on this. Then the request will forward to the accounts and billing department, and that particular department will forward your request to the AWS team, who is gonna to handle to increase these instances. Once they'll get approval and all those things, they will do it. And I think so it will take more than half an hour, 45 minutes. Within that particular moment they will reply you. Just keep watching this particular support portal and see whether what the status of your request, and once it is approved you can start creating number of instances there. Okay, so thank you for watching my channel. I hope I'm clear about this particular supporting to create a support case or to create a case to extend or increase your service limit. I hope you like this video, and if you like, please share, subscribe and press the bell icon for the more videos. I'm coming with number of videos on every day. I'll try to make one single videos for each services which is very criticality in AWS. I'll come with that also. So stay connected with T3 Cloud. We are here to assist you on each kind of issues. This may be a cloud, Unix, Linux, Windows, and DevOps. Every tools, automations, every tool will support with that. We'll come with a one use case and will help you out to understand the real scenario and the hands-on experience on that. So I hope you understand all this creating cases with AWS. I know it's a very small topic, but of course still it is a requirement for us. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe it and press the bell icon, share it, and happy learning. Thank you.